Hi guys, so in this part of the vlog I'll be sharing with you a couple of items that I've purchased recently. Some of these items might be out of stock because I think I got, like, for the boots that I'm going to show you, which I think you're going to absolutely love, I think there was only one size and it was my size that was left, but then I will link down something similar for you if you are interested. So let's get on with the video. So the first item I'm going to be talking about, and I will also insert some cutaways probably over here just to show you how I'm wearing them. So the first item I purchased is this gorgeous wool camel coloured coat. So basically I work as an optician, for those of you that don't know, and I needed a coat that, like, I'll be able to wear with tailored outfits, like tailored trousers and shirts and that sort of thing. I really like this sort of lapel design here as well, as it's really good at sort of keeping me warm. And yeah, because sometimes I don't like my chest exposed too much just because I get cold quite quickly. So I really love this design. This camel coat is from the Lydia Elise Millen Gordon, oh god, her name is long, isn't it, edit with Karen Millen, and it's just such good quality. The other thing I liked about this coat is, I don't know if you can see these gold button details, because for me, I know I'm not wearing any jewellery today, I just didn't have any time, but for me I really like gold buttons because I do wear, if I am wearing jewellery, it's usually gold toned. So yeah, really good. And what I also like about this coat, well, how to style this coat, is I would probably wear it with just some jeans and a jumper and just throw the coat over the top, and it looks quite nice wrapped up, and it also looks quite nice just sort of left loose. So hopefully I'll be able to insert some cutaways about how I'm wearing it and how I'm styling it. So the next thing I want to show you guys is these platform leather boots. They have a quite nice oversized look, and the reason why I like these, well, is because I was on the hunt for some like Bottega inspired boots, but I didn't really want to part with £800. But these were really sort of eye-catching and very unique. These are from Arket, and the reason why I like them is because I needed a winter boot that I'd be able to walk about in and just, you know, just wear them with dresses. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with leather leggings, that sort of thing, and it just gives your overall outfit quite an edgy vibe. I think these are definitely out of stock, so I will try my best to link something similar. But a word of advice is, if you are scrolling on the Arket website, H&M or Zara, or under the stories, and you see some boots that you like, just buy them, because everything I've seen online that I really liked when it came to boots has just been sold out. So get there early, just put it straight to your basket and get your card details plugged in, and yeah, just order them, because trust me, like, I searched high and low for something like this, and then when I looked at these on the Arket website, there was only one size available, and I was lucky enough to have my size. So, another item that I purchased recently was from TK Maxx, and it's this beautiful Lacoste blazer. So again, it's got the gold button details. So I would definitely recommend for you to go and have a look in TK Maxx and just see if you can pick up any pieces at a discounted rate. With this particular wool blazer, the reason why I bought it is because I'm trying to buy blazers, well, more blazers, because I find that I do wear them, because exactly like when it comes to my work, I need to wear smart work wear, so I do tend to wear blazers quite a bit. And then on the weekend, when I want to be a bit boring, I just wear like jeans and a shirt, and then if you throw on a blazer, it does give you that more sort of tailored and streamlined, and it just looks as though you've made a bit more of an effort. So I like double-breasted, but with this one there are no buttons, but I kind of like the way it just sort of hangs loosely over the top, and it gives you that really nice oversized look. But yeah, and it's got a really high concentration of wool fibres, just like the coat did, so I think it's something that I will just wear year after year. But yeah, really nice. So the next piece that I wanted to talk to you about is this rugby inspired knit jumper. I love the colour. I think it's just such a perfect autumnal colour. What I like about it is, if you want to wear it just as it is, it sort of looks like that. But what I tend to do is just fold it slightly, and it just gives this really nice sort of cropped but like oversized look. So this is available to purchase from Mango, and when I posted it on my Instagram, so many people asked about it. I think just having like knitwear in this season is so good, and knitwear is so versatile as well, because you could style this with some like leather trousers, you could style it with some mum jeans, even like a midi skirt. You could even throw it over like your favourite summer dress and then pair it with like a black belt just to cement the outfit, and then some black boots and some gold jewellery. And it's just a really nice way for you to incorporate some of your summer favourite pieces into an autumnal wardrobe. And the final piece I wanted to talk to you about are these gorgeous Haroon&Aminavlogs biker leggings. I'll hopefully be able to insert some cutaways about how I've been wearing these, but if you are interested, I have posted on Instagram a little reel about how to style leather trousers, so if you are interested then definitely check out my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram name somewhere over here if I'm half decent at editing, otherwise it will be in the description box below. So last year I got some warehouse leather trousers and I found that I just wore them so much, but with those ones they were like a cargo style. So this year I wanted to go for something that was a bit more streamlined, so I went for these Haroon&Aminavlogs ones. Now if you are interested in buying these, I would recommend for you to size up. I actually sized up 2 sizes because my usual size is a size 8, so I ordered that initially, but they did not fit at all. I mean, when I was trying them on, I felt like I was going to break them.
Oh, how's that? I can't breathe.
Oh, it is absolutely fabulous. If you don't buy it, I'm buying it for myself.
I don't know. Stand up straight.
Straight.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Honey, just relax, breathe.
Yeah.
So then I was going to go for a size 10. I know I'm rambling, but that wasn't available, it was out of stock. So then I went for a size 12 and it just fit perfectly. And they're made out of this really good quality lambskin leather. Now these are definitely an investment, but as I plan, hopefully, on staying this size for at least a few more years, I know that I will get my wear out of them. Oh yeah, whilst I'm here as well, I just wanted to tell you that I've had Invisalign done. I've had 17 trays and now I'm on phase 2, and what that basically means is, if you can see your teeth, I have attachments on my teeth, and basically I am on phase 2 of my treatment, which means that I need some refinement work doing. And my idea was I wasn't going to start YouTube until this is done, but then the C word happened and everything's just been pushed back, so I probably won't be finishing. My teeth have quite a while to go if you want to see them again. What an ugly face. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, so I am just heading into my local Aldi. I'm going to pick up some fresh fruit and veg. So yeah, I've got my retainers in. That's probably why my teeth look so yellow, because I've had these retainers for about 4 weeks now. I don't have to wear them during the day, but because I'm just so used to it, I just tend to just keep them in sometimes. So yeah, and I'm wearing the Haroon&Aminavlogs coat. Oh, what's going on there? Bit normal. So yeah, and then I've just had the car cleaned. I just went on the stories on Instagram, and like, you guys are so sweet. Like, just if I post something and like I just get, you know, people messaging me and being like, or, you know, just like a compliment, or just like, oh, I hope you're okay, and stuff like that. And it just I really appreciate it. I just think in this, like, I'm in my car and I'm just being emotional, but it's like, I'm gonna blank that word out actually. I think YouTube might shadow ban my content if I mention that word, but with the C word, we'll call it the C word. I mean, I know I'm looking at it from the lens of, like, luckily nobody in my family has had and everybody is healthy and well. Although like I was off for work for about 3 months without any income because I fell into a very weird bracket of people where I'm self-employed but I didn't get anything, and neither did my husband, and that was a bit shitty, I'll be honest. But you know, then after the 12 weeks we managed to get ourselves together and we managed to get work and everything went fairly okay. So in that regard, like, alhamdulillah, you know, we're still eating, we're still breathing, we're still healthy, we're still happy. Well, you know, as far as we can be with everything that's going on. I just think this time is like quite lonely, and I think that's why I decided to pick up the camera and start vlogging. It's just because like on my days off now, whereas before, you know, I could visit maybe my mom, go to her house and stuff like that, all of it is pretty much, you can't do much in my area anymore. So I'm kind of just left to my own devices. And don't get me wrong, like I love my own time and I like enjoying like my own time and my own company, but at the same time it can be quite lonely, and I know that I can't be the only one that's feeling like this. So hopefully in the comments down below, just write down, just type in what you're doing in terms of trying to make this time a little bit more manageable for yourself. I mean, for me, I have been like trying to pamper myself. I've been trying to like wake up and get ready and put on a bit of makeup, even if it's just a bit of concealer, and do my brows, and just feeling a bit more motivated, because I know that the C word has affected so many people. I mean, some people have obviously, they've lost loved ones, which, you know, I can't even begin to imagine how that must feel. But then for other people, it's like we're all struggling, and just things like, I know that you can go on holiday now, but for the vast majority of people that can't do the 2 weeks sitting at home and isolating, that's not really a possibility. Like just air travel in general, it's just not as easy anymore. And one of the things that like my mum always says to me is that perhaps before, when we could travel, I know for sure that I was almost taking it for granted. So I'm just trying to like be mindful and be grateful and just appreciate each day and take each day as it comes. Anyway, I don't know where this is coming from. God, I'm an emotional wreck. I'm gonna head into Aldi, then I've just obviously had my car cleaned, and then I'm gonna go home, have some food, clean the house up and that sort of thing. Now, I don't really think I did like a hello, hi, welcome to this vlog video part for this particular vlog, but I will in the future, because otherwise it's going to be too confusing. But I'm going to leave this vlog here. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to make sure you're not just seeing this much. I'm going to leave this vlog here and say thank you for watching it if you've made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed the bit about, you know, the fashion and stuff like that. I am going to include more lifestyle content on this channel as well. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, family, relatives. It will help me out so much. And follow me on Instagram as well, because I am quite present on there, and you know, you might be able to see some of my extra bits and pieces that I don't put on YouTube. So anyway guys, until then, please stay safe, stay happy. Let the comments area down below be like a nice positive happy vibe, and like I just want to try to create like a loving and helpful and just like a community that reflects my values, if that makes sense. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I know I rambled on at the end. I need to shut my mouth sometimes, but I'll see you soon. Thanks, bye bye.